These homemade French fries will get you hooked. Very crispy and delicious. So sit back and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to wash your potatoes really well. I'm using 4 medium-sized potatoes. You may use as much as you want. Peel and cut it into your desired shape. I'm cutting mine into strips, so feel free to cut it the way you like it.
Delicious.
Once that is done, I will add cold water and wash it again to get rid of excess starch.
Delicious.
The next step is to blanch the potatoes. In a boiling water, I will add salt and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Stir well to combine. Add the potatoes and allow it to come to a boil. Once that is done, I will scoop it out and place on a paper towel, and I will dry it even more with paper towel so that there will be no moisture. Next, I will transfer in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. I will mix very well, making sure that all the potatoes are well coated. Once that is done, I will transfer in a freezer and freeze for 1 hour. You can also freeze it in a Ziploc bag and it will stay up to 2 to 3 months. 1 hour later, I will start frying. In a preheated oil, I will add the potato and allow it to fry until crispy. I double fried mine to get crispy chips. By frying it a while and scoop it out, fry it the second time. This method will definitely give you a crispy chips.
Delicious.
Once it's golden brown like this, I will scoop it out and we are done. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!